Guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss probability terminology, that is exhaustive events. What are exhaustive events? Exhaustive events are set of events in a sample space such that one of them should compulsorily occur while performing the experiment. See, we can say that all possible events in a sample space is generally termed as exhaustive events, guys. Okay, example, while tossing a unbiased coin, there exist two possible events, right? That is either head or tail. Not any other results from these two, right? So these two outcomes are exhaustive events because from out of these, definitely one will occur, not other than these two. Similarly, in a dice, if I throw two dice, in one appears as 1, 2, 3 and second appears 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the union of these two becomes sample space, guys. I hope you understand this concept.